Drawing animals every week. I just drew a tortoise 2 weeks ago. Anyways, this time, I recorded the speed paint. Doesn't help the fact that the proportions are wrong. BTW, thanks for 13 subscribers. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe. Yay color! Why did I choose this shade of yellow? This is where things start to go wrong. I decided to color it as a Minecraft turtle. Couldn't draw the white part of the eye. Why even keep the patterns at this point? Wow, grass! This is what mess I created. Please comment on what I should improve on. Bye!